Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends, and welcome back to the maths class. And today we will understand about the topic that is even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, and rounding off of numbers we will revise, and then this chapter will be finished, and then we will start our next chapter in next video. Okay, so but first of all we will recall the topic that is rounding off of numbers. हम लोग rounding off कैसे करेंगे, ठीक है? We have already learned about this topic in previous video, but we have to recall. हम लोग इसका revision करेंगे. Then we will go towards the next topic. Okay, so we have to find out the nearest 10 of the number. So let's take a first example, 47. Okay, this is a number which is a 47, which is given to us, and we have to find out the nearest 10 of 47. What we have to find out? Nearest 10 of 47. So now we know that the 47 is present between which numbers? 40 and 50. ठीक है, हमारा जो 47 है वो किस किस के बीच में है? 40 और 50 के बीच में है. Then we will write the number which is lies at the center of these two numbers. दोनों के एकदम सेंटर में बीच में जो नंबर है that is your 45. ठीक है, हम लोग बीच वाला एकदम सेंटर वाला नंबर लिख लेंगे. Then we will write this given number. So now tell me this 47. Where we will write 47? Before 45 or after 45? Obviously we will write 47 after 45. 45 के बाद में ही 47 आएगा. So we will write 47 after the 45. Now look here, the 47 is closed. 47 is close to which number? 50. 47 क्या है? Closed है 50 के. And that's why this 47 will rounded up. Rounded up. So what is the answer? 47 will rounded up to 50. So what is the nearest 10 of 47? 47 का nearest 10 क्या होगा? 47 का nearest 10 होगा 50. Okay, understand? Let's take one more example. If I said find out the nearest 10 of 53. Nearest 10 निकालना है 53 का. So again we will do the same thing. Just draw the line over here. Now this 53 is present between which numbers? Which two tens? It is present between the 50 and 60. Okay, that means the 53 lies between the 50 and 60. Then we will write the number which is lies at the center of 50 and 60. That means the number which lies exactly at the center, exactly the midpoint, एकदम बीच में जो है वो. Okay, 50 का there will be 55. Okay, that is the 55. This 55 lies in between the 50 and 60. Exactly in between, एकदम बीच में. ठीक है. Now we will write 53. So now 53 will come before 55. 55 के पहले आएगा. Now look at this. This 53 is close to 50 or close to 60. Obviously we can see that the 53 is close to 50, and that's why the 53 will rounded, yes, down. क्या होगा? Rounded down होगा to 50. So what is the nearest 10 of 53? Nearest 10 of 53 is 50. ठीक है. We had learned about this method. Now today I am back again with a new method to find out the nearest 10 quickly. आज मेरे पास एक और मेथड है जिससे हम लोग 50 किसी भी नंबर का nearest 10 quickly find out कर सकते हैं. Quickly that means within 2 or 3 seconds you can find out the nearest 10. Okay, let's see that method. Understand a new method to find out the nearest 10, and which is very interesting. Okay, बहुत interesting है. Let's take example. So before taking the example, we have to study about some rules, and the rules are 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 numbers are weak numbers. Weak digit लिख दो, whatever. Weak digits. Okay, कमजोर है. And another one is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are strong. These are strong digits. These are strong digits. Okay, now look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the weak digits. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are weak digits. ठीक है, इनमें ज़्यादा पावर नहीं है. But 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 have the more power. That means they are the strong digit. वो क्या है? Strong digit है. So what is the, why we are studying about the weak digit and strong digit? Let's see. So let's take example. First one, 47. ओके, अभी 2 मिनट पहले हमने 47 ही लिया था, तो लेट्स टेक द सेम एग्जांपल 47. नाउ वी नो दैट द नियरेस्ट 10 ऑफ 47 इज 50. अभी 2 मिनट पहले हमने कैलकुलेट किया था. यस, वी हैव डन दिस. सो नाउ लुक, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नियरेस्ट 10? आई अंडरलाइन द नियर 10, नियरेस्ट 10. नियर मतलब क्या होता है? पास वाला, बाजू वाला, है ना. नियर जस्ट, है ना. 1 मिनट. व्हाट इज मीन बाय नियर? नियर मीन्स हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पड़ोसी. नियरेस्ट 10. ओके, सो नाउ लुक हियर, दिस इज 47 and the 47 is a 2-digit number, so 7 is present on 1's place and 4 is present on the 10th place. Nearest 10, so let's reach to the 10th place. 1 and 10. मैं 10th place पे पहुंच गया, ठीक है. So the nearest 10, so what we have to do? We have to observe the digit at 1's place. 10th के पास वाला digit, पास वाला मतलब साइड वाला, इधर राइट हैंड साइड वाला, ठीक है. So we will observe the digit which is just before the 10th place. That means the 1's place. 1's place वाला हम लोग digit observe करेंगे. If there is 1, 2, 3, 4, ध्यान से समझो, अगर 1's place पे 1, 2, 3, 4 है, if there is 1, 2, 3 and 4, then it will be rounded down. Rounded down. अगर 1, 2, 3, 4 इन 4 डिजिट में से कोई भी डिजिट 1's प्लेस पे रहा तो राउंडेड डाउन होगा, ठीक है. एंड इफ देयर इज 5, 6, 7, 8 एंड 9 एट द 1's प्लेस, सो इट बिकम्स राउंडेड अप. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, इफ देयर इज अ वीक डिजिट एट द 1's प्लेस, if there is a weak digit at the 1's place, it will round it down, and if there is a strong digit at the 1's place, it will round it up. So this is 47. Now look here, 1's and the 10th. So 10th place is 4, but we have to observe the 1's place. उसके साइड वाला ऑब्जर्व करना है, that means 7. Now we know that 7 is a strong number. That means what? It will rounded up. So 47 will rounded up. So 7 becomes 0. Write 0 directly. And 7 have the power to push 4. 7 के पास ताकत है, पावर है, वो 4 को क्या करेगा? 5 कर देगा. उसके बाद वाला नंबर क्या होगा? 1 से इंक्रीज कर देंगे हम लोग, बिकॉज राउंडेड अप में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? इफ यू आर राउंडिंग अप, so this 4 becomes 5, so it becomes 50. Understand? Let's take one more example. Okay, एक और example लेता हूँ मैं, and it is very interesting topic. Okay, 34. Let's take a 34. Now we have to find out the nearest 10 of 34. What we have to find out? Nearest 10 of 34. Now it is a given number which is a 34. So this 4 is present on 1's and 3 present on the 10th place. Okay, so we are finding the nearest 10. So first of all reach to the 10th place. 1, 10th पे आगे लिया. अब आपको क्या करना है? 10th के प्लेस के पहले वाला डिजिट, मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, we have to observe the digit which is just before the 10th place. That means the 1's place. We will observe the digit at 1's place, that is 4. Now we know that 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the weak numbers. What is this? Weak numbers. That means it will round it down. ठीक है? So it will round it down means what? This 4 becomes 0. It becomes 0. 1's place का तो 0 हो जाएगा. And this 4 does not have any power to push 3. वो 3 को push करके 4 नहीं कर सकता. We will write 3 as it is. तो 34 का राउंडेड डाउन होगा और वो 30 पर जाकर अटक जाएगा. ओके, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? इट विल गो टू 30. सो द नियरेस्ट 10 ऑफ 34 इज 30. ओके, लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. 700. नो, लेट्स टेक, इट इज नॉट 100. ओके, 56. लेट्स टेक a 56. नाउ वी नो दैट what we have to do? We have to observe. फिर से देखो ध्यान से, we have to observe the digit at the 1's place, 1 and 10. Why we have to observe the digit at the 1's place? Because it is just nearer to 10th place. Near 10. 10 के बाद वाला, ठीक है. So it is 6. 6 is what? 6 is a strong number. That means it will rounded up. Rounded up होगा, ठीक है. Rounded up. So 6 will become 0 and 5 becomes rounded up में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, if you want to round it up the digit, the digit at the tens place will increase by 1, so 5 becomes 6, that is 60. Understood everyone? If you not understand, see this video. आपको रिवाइज क्या बोलते उसको रिवाइंड करके देखिए, ठीक है? ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल्स ऑफ योर बुक. आपके बुक में जो क्वेश्चन है हम लोग उसको सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, देयर आर एग्जांपल ऑन पेज नंबर 20. लुक द पेज नंबर 20. At the page number 20 there are questions, that is a check point. Okay, आपके पास में बुक में check point है. So let's take a first question and that is 48. 48 is here. So how can we find out the nearest 10 of 48? With the help of nearest 10. Look here. Observe the digit at the ones place. Nearest 10. Okay, it is 8 and 8 is what? 8 is the strong number. So ये rounded up होगा. Okay, so 8 becomes 0. And this 8 have the power to push 4. 4 क्या हो जाएगा? 5 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? 50 is the answer. Let's take second one. Second is 23. Okay, 23. Now look at, now observe the digit at ones place, that is 3. So 3 is weak number. अगर weak है तो rounded down होगा, ठीक है? We will write 3. 3 becomes 0. Always remember that the ones place is always 0. इधर साइड में 0 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? And the 2 becomes 2 because this 3 does not have any power to push 2. 3 के पास पावर नहीं हो, 2 को 3 नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? That's third one. 56. Okay, again 56. 6 is a strong number, rounded up. Rounded up, 6 becomes 0 and 6 have the power to push 5. 5 becomes 6. Okay, and always remember that if there is 55, so 55 is what? It is just exactly at the center of 50 and 60 and that's why it is rounded up. अगर 5 हो गया तो भी rounded up होगा. It will jump upper side. Okay? Okay. 3 examples are done. Let's take fourth one and the fourth example is 32. 32. Okay? This is the check point. ये जो आपके बुक आपको स्क्रीनशॉट दिख रहा है, ठीक है? That is a check point on page number 20. I am solving this one. Okay, so that is 32. Now 2 is weak number, so 2 becomes 0 and 3 becomes 3. 3 is as it is because 2 is weak. ठीक है? Take fifth one. What is fifth one? 64. Okay, now 64. 4 is weak number, rounded down. It is 0 and 6 is as it is. Take sixth one. What is sixth one? 79. Okay, let's take a 79. So 79. Now we know that 9 is what? Yes, 9 is a strong number and that's why 79 will rounded up. Rounded up. 79 becomes 80. 79 के एकदम पास में 80 है and that's why it will jump out. Jump upper side. Okay. 3 questions, that is 10, 11 and 12. That is your homework. वो आप अपनी मर्जी से करिए, मैं आपको वो नहीं बताऊंगा. ओके, सो क्विकली नोट डाउन इन योर बुक में से फटाफट से नोट डाउन कर लो. Okay, so the next topic is even and odd numbers. Okay, so let's see what is even numbers and odd numbers. ठीक है? The even numbers are even numbers and with even numbers and with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay, इवन नंबर्स कौन से होंगे? द नंबर्स विच एंड विथ 0. ठीक है, मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, द नंबर्स इवन नंबर्स एंड विथ 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. नॉट ओनली 0, 24680 अगर किसी नंबर के एंड में मीन्स व्हाट, एट दी वंस प्लेस, अगर वंस प्लेस में 2 4 6 8 या फिर 0 में से कोई एक डिजिट है, then the number is called as the even number. Simple. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, then 24, then 26. Okay, that means what, जो numbers 2 के टेबल में आ जाते हैं that is called as the even numbers. ठीक है, 2 के multiplication में आते हैं that is called as even numbers. Okay, and the odd numbers are, the odd numbers end with odd numbers end with 3 5 7 9 and sorry, 1 is also there. Okay, odd numbers end with 1 3 5 and 7 and 9. ठीक है, ऑड नंबर्स कैसे होंगे, वो एंड होंगे, यानी कि क्या होगा, इफ देर इज अ डिजिट विच इफ देर इज अ 1 3 5 7 और 9 एट दी वंस प्लेस, देन इट इज ऑड नंबर. ठीक है, तो वो क्या होगा, ऑड नंबर होगा. प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस टू. ओके, वेट, नॉट नाउ. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक अ फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. लेट्स, ठीक है, 48. नाउ टेल मी 48 इज इवन और ऑड. लुक एट दिस 8. It ends with 8. There is 1 and this is 10. So the 48 जो नंबर है वो कहाँ, कौन से डिजिट पर एंड हो रहा है, 8 पर. ओके, एंड वी नो दैट the numbers which end with 24680. Okay, so the first example is 48. Okay, and we know that the 48 is end with 8 से एंड हो गया, एंड दैट इज इवन नंबर. 48 क्या है, इवन नंबर है. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक अ सेकंड एग्जांपल. 23. नाउ लुक एट दिस 24680. नथिंग, दिस 23 एंड विथ 3. 23 जो नंबर है वो 3 पर एंड हुआ है. ओके, देयर इज 3 एट दी वंस प्लेस एंड 3 रहा तो क्या रहेगा, ऑड, एंड 23 इज ऑड. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक 12. 12 इज व्हाट, 12 एंड विथ 2. 12 जो है वो कहाँ खत्म हुआ है, 2 पे. व्हाट इज द लास्ट डिजिट, 2. लास्ट, इफ देयर इज अ लास्ट डिजिट 24680 देन इट बिकम इवन. ध्यान से समझ लो. ठीक है, अगर आपका नंबर 24680 ये जो डिजिट है अगर लास्ट में आया, लास्ट डिजिट इज 24680 देन इट इज इवन नंबर, अदरवाइज इट विल ऑड. ठीक है, सो इट इज इवन नंबर. ओके, let's take fourth example. 156. Okay, which number it is, 156. कौन सा नंबर है भैया, 156. now 156 का लास्ट डिजिट कौन सा है, which is the last digit of 156, that means the digit at the ones place, 6. so 6 वाला तो even होता है. Okay, so 156 is even number. Fifth is fifth one, 99. Okay, now 99. This is the number 99 and with 9. What is the last digit of 99? 9. So what is the, ये दोनों में देखो, let's observe. Okay, 9. So if the number end with 13579, so it is, this is your odd number. Okay, it is your odd number, or you can see that pairing. Let's see here. Now listen here, let's take example for even numbers, that means pairing. Okay, let's take 6. Okay, even numbers can be put in pair of 2. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, 6 को 2 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. How? This is your 2, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. Look here, these 2 are in group, these 2 are in group and these 2 are in group. That means what? Nothing is left over here. सभी का पेयर बन गया. एंड अगर आपके नंबर्स का पेयर होता है 2 के ग्रुप्स में, देन इट बिकम इवन नंबर. लेट्स टेक 7. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. लुक हियर, देयर आर 3 पेयर्स बट इट इज लेफ्ट ओवर. यहाँ पर तो पेयर बना ही नहीं. ठीक है, एंड इफ देर इज नॉट पेयर, अगर आपका पेयर फॉर्म नहीं होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑड नंबर. और यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ द नंबर. if there is 24680 at the last, that number is even number, and if the number end with 13579 then it is odd number. ठीक है, फिर से let's take 6138. now look at this, 38 end with 38 में कौन सा आखिरी डिजिट है 8, and that's why it is even. yes, even. ठीक है, even number. Understood everyone? If the, what is the logic here? If the number end with 24680, that means if there is 24680 is present at the ones place. Okay, अगर आपके ones place पे 24680 है, now the number is called the even number, or if the number end with, or if the number have 13579 at the ones place, then it becomes odd number. Understood everyone? Okay, बहुत इजी है. अगर किसी नंबर में 2, 4, 6, 8 या फिर 0 वंस प्लेस पे है, यानी कि आखिरी में है, so that number is even number, otherwise it is odd number. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day and solve the question of page number 20. Okay, that is the checkpoint. Checkpoint में आपको क्या करना है? Tick. You have to tick to odd numbers and cross the even numbers. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है? इवन नंबर्स को राइट करना है और ऑड नंबर्स को क्रॉस करना है. ओके, नाउ योर चैप्टर इज फिनिश्ड हियर. सॉल्व ऑल द एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीटली. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे.